Hello techies, welcome to AI Brahma YouTube channel. My name is Ganesh. In this video tutorial, we are discussing about automation anywhere practical question for interview. And this is exercise 8. I hope you have watched all other series also. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get first notification to you. So directly we will go to the question. So very interesting question and frequently asked question in RPA interview. And the question is it possible to merge this table in A360? We have a two table. If you closely observe the headers, the first table contains product ID, product name, and cost. And the second table contains product ID, cost, and product name, right? Here, B and C columns are interchanged. Is it possible to merge this interchanged column in a A360? If it is possible, and what will be the header sequence in the output? This is the question asked by the interviewer. So directly we will go to the workbench and we will see is it possible to merge in the A360, and if it is possible then what will be the sequence in the output, right? So what I will do, I will show the input to you first. So I have taken the input like this in the first Excel. So I have taken product ID, product name, and cost. In the second sheet I have taken product ID, cost, and product name. So what we will do, if it is possible to merge, so we will paste the output in the third sheet, right? We will save it. So first thing is we have to open this Excel sheet, right? What Whenever we will use the Excel functions. So what I will do, Excel, inside the Excel I have to use open, right? Drag and drop. So I will take the input file header path, and also input file name is product, sorry, path, and product.xlsx, right? And one more thing we have to closely observe here. Here we have a two option, like sheet contains a header and specific sheet name. So what I will do, I will check sheet contains a header, because this is very important when we are dealing with the data table, right? Data table will have always headers. So that's why what I will do, I will check mark this one, sheet contains a header. So then we have to assign this particular sheet outputs to data table. How we can do? So we have in a Excel advanced one good feature, that is data. If you go to Excel advanced, so we have a get worksheet as a data table. Just drag and drop it. So and it is asking which worksheet you want to make it as a data table. The first thing I will take it as a sheet 1, right? We have a sheet 1 and sheet 2 as an input. That's why sheet 1, and we have to check mark this one, sheet contains a header. So this one I will take it read visible text, no problem. And session name, if you observe here, so we have taken the default when we are opening the Excel. So that's why same session name I will take it. And I need to create a data table. This is my first data table, right? So that's why what I will do, T is a data type variable first letter. And here what I will do, first Excel worksheet data, and create. And the same way I need to take a second one also, right? The same way I will take it as a sheet 2, and this is the one I will take it as the second Excel worksheet data. So I have both now, right? The first Excel worksheet data and second Excel worksheet data. So both are in table, right? So now if you see the data data table data table option, so you will get a merge, right? Just drag and drop this merge action from the data table. You will have the first data table name and second data table name option. So here what I will do, I will choose a first data table and also second data table, right? T second data table. So both I will take it, and I need to merge it into some other output, right? That is also data table. So what I will do, I will create as a table output, right? So just I'm creating like this. And ultimately our goal is to save this output into the sheet 3. If it is possible, we will see how it will work. So for that, we have in Excel Advance, if you click the Excel Advance package, you will get right from data table. The first we have used get worksheet as a data table, right? To convert into Excel to data table. But now we have to convert data table to Excel. So that's why I will take a write from data table action. So already I have a opened Excel, the same thing we will use it, but I need to give the output here source data and which specific worksheet you have to save it. That is a sheet 3, right? Just I will copy and paste it here. And what is the first cell you want to paste the data into the Excel? That we will call it as A1, right? I need to start from the A1 cell. And what is the session name? Session name is default. So that's it. So now we have to I will close the input. I'm not closing any activities. Open Excel sheet is there because I want to show the output to you guys. So you can add it at the interview time. You can add the close session because it is mandatory whenever we will use the Excel advanced or Excel basic or any other functionalities having the open session. Right? We have to close this one. So now the bot is downloading the dependencies. So now the bot is running. Okay, our Excel is open. First one, first sheet, second sheet, third sheet also filled. So the first question is satisfied, right? The first question was, can we merge this two table, right? The table is like this, interchanged column, right? Can we merge this data table? Yes, definitely yes. We can merge the data table. How it is, how we can say that one? So we have here 14 column, sorry, 14 row, and here we have 14 row, right? So here we have totally in the merge cell 28 row, right? If you see here come 28 row, then it is merged. So you can cross check also when you are trying. And the second question was, if it is possible, then what will be the sequence of the data table? So if you closely observe this data table header, the output header, product id, product name and cost, the first sheet also having the same thing, product id, product name and cost. So we can directly say from this question workaround. So whenever you will take the here in the merge option, whenever you will take the first data table, that will be the output header, right? So you can say from this output. So this is the proof for this question. So I hope you have understand the logic behind this merge activity. If any question asked, uh, you can answer, I hope, from this question and answer session. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get same way of questions. And if you have any questions, please comment it in the YouTube. So I will reach out to you as soon as possible. Thank you very much. Happy learning. All the best for your interview.